So, hi, it's Rick from Canine Perspective. We got Bailey here, anxious, stressed girl. She's we've seen a little reactivity from her right now, so we're gonna try and expose her to more dogs and show how to correct that and what to do. Right now, we're in by a little baseball game. Those flag people left, I think, or something. I don't know. But there's people playing here. There's kids running over there. So there's these bubbles, and we know we're in our own bubble, and we give respect, and we don't want to just walk in their game, or if we see an off-leash dog with an owner, we don't want to just walk to the off-leash dog. We want to avoid it because we don't know if their dog is gonna like Bailey or Bailey's gonna like their dog. So right now we're gonna find the working number. Start at 5. Give it a little tap, tap, tap. So I go to 10. Tap, tap, tap. 15. Tap. There we go. Tap, 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 tap. So see, it's not phasing him right now. Tap, tap, tap. We'll go to 20. Tap, tap, tap. 25. Tap, tap, tap. 30. Tap, tap, tap. 35. Tap, tap, tap. 40. Tap, tap, tap. 45. Tap. There we go. Yeah, there we go. See the difference there? Using it down, he's kind of like crawling towards Corey or maybe Rupert. But we have the 45, and that got us the backing up, and he moved a lot farther and quicker. So we're gonna go this way. But all that moving and not moving and all that was perception. She knows it's there, but it's not concerning enough for her to do that whole backup thing. So that was perception. 45 is our working number. So what I did, I tapped 3 times, I bumped at 5, so tap, 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 bump 5, tap, 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 bump 5 until I got that reaction. So heel, tap, tap, tap. We'll go that way. So right there, Bailey got a little too interested in the bikes. By tapping for that, close in on me. Tap. Tap. down. There was no taps there. I went this way and gave her a down because there's an off-leash dog coming. So I just wanted to give space. I know I have control on both these dogs. I have both the remotes. So we have to see what if I need to. Wait, Corey, I want to come over here closer. Yeah. Show the dog. So, no reactivity. Rupert kind of just avoided. Bailey glanced a few times, but as you can see, down. She remained relaxed. Again, this was a dog that was just calm, walking, just a golden or maybe a lab. Versus when he had a previous reaction while I had Rupert, or she did, sorry. She started going with that energy, or with that same energy that little dog had. So yeah, we're gonna do a little recall work with both dogs in our little bubble in the middle of the field, and we'll get the long leash out and show how the recall works in the real world. Right, you can cut it there. So right now, Rupert's on break. He can do whatever he wants. I have the long leash. So we're just gonna like meander, going this way, let him do whatever he wants, and then I'll do a random recall, and then I'll explain later. Right here. Rupert, come. Good girl. Rupert, come. Oh, I've been calling her Rupert, dude. Bailey, come. So, what I've been doing, I think I called her Rupert the first few times. Her name's Bailey. So I have my long leash, my thumb in the loop, remote on my right hand. What I'm doing is, as she's coming, I'm reeling it in so that she won't get the 30 feet when she passes me. Since she's already had obedience, this is just like a kind of refresher, so she knows the recall. So what I did was I said Rupert, I said Bailey, come, tap, tap. She went to Corey, and then that's when the leash pressure came in, and I continued tapping, tapping, tapping. until she looked at me. I moved back. Then she knew, oh, recall. So tap. She saw me moving back. Tap. She saw me moving back, which draws the dog. Once she's making her way to me, I then stop tapping. I hold my position, let her finish it. Right here is a good 1 to 2 feet. If she was here, 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 or anywhere farther than the 1 to 2 feet vicinity, it's not a complete recall. I want her to be here. If she passed me, I would turn and face her, back up, tap, tap, tap. Same thing over and over. If she keeps passing me, face her, tap, back up. You're taking about 3 to 4 steps back. Once she makes her way here, if she's standing, we want the sitting. So we want Bailey come, she runs to us, she comes here, and she sits. That is the recall, and then obviously stays implied, so we would say break to release her from the recall. But yep, so I'm gonna do it a few more times. Break. Just let her enjoy her break here. Bailey, come. Tap, 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 tap. Good. Break. So right there, she was confused. Somebody wanted to go that way, so she didn't want to come this way just because she's been recording for most of the videos. So I kept tapping, tapping, tapping. I used a little more power on the e-collar, and then paired it with a little bit more leash press, but we want the e-collar to do all the work. So right here, I'll do it again. Bailey, come. Tap. Break. Bailey, come. Good. No tapping there. Good. Break. So that was a really good one. You know, damn it. You're always supposed to tap after recall.
What do you mean when you call them?
It's Bailey come tap.
Mm-hmm.
Cut it. Ready? So we'll do a few more recalls. Break! She was already on a break, but I wanted to push her forward. So here, she decided to lay down. I didn't tell her down or anything. So I'm going to do the recall and tap. Bailey, come. Tap. 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 Good. So even though Bailey came to me, I saw her like just about to shoot to me, I still tap. Bailey, come, tap, always. Because there will be a time where you call her, she's like, she heard you, and then she's gonna want to go, but then you tap. But you tap too late, so you always want to tap right after the recall, so the dog knows, or Bailey knows that, oh, even if I get tapped, I still come. Because Bailey was here, Bailey come, tap. If she's coming already and she feels a tap, she's gonna be like, oh, something's wrong. I'm gonna go the opposite way, probably to Corey. But no, Bailey, like, the recall is still, you know, come to me. even if I tap, tap, tap. So I would continue tapping. If she would go the other way, to clarify her, like, even though I tap late, or even though I tap late, or there's a tap there, you still complete the call or the cue for Bailey come. So I'll do it again. Right here. She's hiding behind Corey. Bailey, come. Tap, 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 tap. There we go. And that's recall.